There'll be a big bump. Just stay down in the floor. Brace yourself and watch the paddle on you. All right, you guys crushed it. Thank you all very much for getting through that.
Thank you, Michael.
I know it doesn't seem...
Okay, Smokey.
Okay, Smokey. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Grab the line around the edge. Grab it. Smoke. Can you smile? Okay. So what are we waiting for?
We're waiting for Debbie and Jim to come flying through here and take a look at what they're doing.
There's Debbie. That's them.